Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Rob. Thank you for tuning in to the Rob Some Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you guys how to tell if a $2 bill is real or fake. Now, although a rare occurrence to come across one of these for most people, they are still out there in circulation, so it is good to know how to tell the difference between a real and fake one of these, especially if you're somebody that handles money, as this is legal tender, so there should be no reason that you can't accept this for any products or services. So there's not too many security features built into the $2 bill since it's such a low value bill compared to other bills. So we're going to quickly show you how to tell if it's real or fake. So a lot of it just comes down to the feel of the paper and the paper itself. So firstly, one of the things you can go to feel for is the intaglio printing, or it's kind of like a raised inking where you can feel the engraving of the ink. And so where you can feel this the best is on the jacket of whoever is on the bill. So if you just run your finger along here, you can feel that it's like it feels texturized. Whereas if you go in the blank space over here, it just feels like smooth paper. Here it is texturized if it's a real bill. As well as in these areas, all these darker areas have intaglio printing too. It's a process used where the ink is forced onto the bill and it leaves raised edges. That's where a lot of bank tellers will go to tell if a bill is real or not only on the $2 bill, but also anything above the $2 bill, the 5, 10, 20, 50, and the 100. Now, if the bill is super worn down or you can't tell if that is present or not, that is okay. We're going to go ahead and actually use the counterfeit detection marker. Now, I will leave a link to these down below. They're only a few dollars a piece, and they're a great tool to have, especially if you go through a lot of cash in your business. So we're actually going to use an older bill for this, since this bill is nice and crisp. We're going to use a bill that has some wrinkles on it already. These are both real $2 bills, by the way. I have a whole stack of them. Go ahead and slap the like button for my $2 bill collection. But anyways, let's go ahead and go to the wrinkled dollar bill here. And now what this marker does is it actually reacts with the paper that the bill is made with. So if you go ahead and swipe this, it'll come out a goldish color. Now if it stays a gold, that means that the paper is real. And if it turns a dark color or a black color, that means the paper is not real. So we're going to go ahead and show you that now. As you can see, we put it on, it went on a goldish color, and it stayed a goldish color. It gets a tad bit darker, but it is still gold, so that is telling us that the paper is real. Now we're going to show you what it would happen if you use it on a fake bill or something printed on just computer paper or not authentic US Mint paper. Here we have our counterfeit $2 bill here, and we're going to go ahead and swipe our currency marker. As you can see, that turns a really dark brownish black color. Just so you can see it each time. Here's the real $2 bill, the markings, and here's the fake. So you want it to stay that goldish color. Now also on the $2 bill and other bills, there are little embedded red and blue fibers. They're kind of hard to see. There's one of them. They're hard to see on video, but they're a little better to see up close or if you look under a microscope. So that is another way to tell if your bill is real or fake or not. Other than that, guys, there's not too much left for the $2 bill. It's not a super high value bill, so it's not super highly counterfeited. One of the most counterfeited bills is actually the $20 bill. But if this helped you out, guys, please smack the thumbs up button. It helps me out so much, guys. If there are any security features that I missed, which I don't believe there are, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I will add those if I ever need to update this video. Until next time, guys, I hope you learned something, and I will see you later. Peace out.